candle-powered steamboats here. There we are. Haven't seen these in the northeast. Candle-powered steamboats. There they can be bought. There we are. £7.95. Interesting. I saw them in Sunderland, I think it was, about 7 years ago. Candle-powered steamboats here at the Tewkesbury Medieval Festival, with the various other stalls and stands here. Got the National Trust here as well down there. Churches together here as well. Events on for the children. Various other stands and stalls here.